In this video, you will con the basic tile 1000 roofing sheet machine. This is manual pre-slide cutting. Its advantage is save material inside of machine when you change the thickness and color. The roll forming, the number of roller stations is 12 groups. You must to know more rollers more better, but cost is also much, so machine is proper solution and according to client's requirement. The pressing device is upgrade. Normally, the pressing and cutting are separated, but on this machine, the pressing and cutting are together. The advantages of this combination of the machine working speed is must be higher. Speed can up to 6 meters per minute. Normal machine speed is only 2 meters per minute. One machine is same with 3 machines. How long lifetime of cutting blade? We calculate the lifetime according to the cutting times, not by time, not by length, not by tons. Our cutting blade can cut at least 100,000 times, and if it is not sharp, you can polish the blade by grinding machine, like the scissors processing.